In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello boards to ClickUp. This process is designed to be straightforward and will help you seamlessly bring your Trello tasks over to ClickUp, making it easier to manage your projects all in one place. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up ClickUp. Once you're inside the platform, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking on your profile will take you to a menu where you'll want to select the Settings option. This is where you can manage various aspects of your ClickUp account, including imports and exports. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Imports/Exports. Clicking on this will bring you to a new section specifically designed for transferring data between different platforms. This is particularly useful when you're transitioning from another project management tool such as Trello. Once you're in the Imports/Exports section, find and click on the option labeled Trello. This will initiate the process of connecting your Trello account with ClickUp. At this stage, ClickUp will require permission to access your Trello data, so make sure you're logged into the correct Trello account that you wish to import boards from. You'll be prompted to authorize ClickUp to access your Trello information. A new window will appear asking you to allow or deny this access. Go ahead and click Allow. This step is crucial because it grants ClickUp the necessary permissions to fetch data from your Trello account. Once you've successfully allowed access, ClickUp will be able to retrieve your Trello boards. From here, you can choose which specific boards you want to import into ClickUp. This flexibility allows you to manage which projects are transferred, ensuring that you maintain control over your data. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Trello account to ClickUp and imported your boards. This integration not only saves you the hassle of manually transferring tasks, but also ensures that all your vital project information is centralized within ClickUp. Remember, the benefit of using ClickUp is its robust project management capabilities, allowing you to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.